Hey, what's up everyone? So far, as of now, these will be the players and confirmed to complete the lineup for Sta.Lucias Realtors. Welcome to PVL Open 2021. While on the other side, Petrogas Angels is one of the most anticipated teams for the upcoming PVL Open. Petrogas Angels, with their new lineup, it's gonna be a battle of spikers among teams. Let's know them, who are the new addition players in Petrogas Angels. Petrogas on Tuesday announced that they have signed veterans Remy Palma and Cesc Molina to their roster, ahead of the Premier Volleyball League's first season as a professional outfit. Both Palma and Molina used to play for Petron, one of 3 teams set to take a leave of absence in the Philippine Superliga. Their signings bring the Petrogas roster to 13 players, just over a week after the team released 5 members of their core group including veteran middle blockers Jeanette Panaga and Cherry Nunag. Aside from Molina and Palma, the Angels also added libero Cath Irado, middle blocker Ria Meneses, and spiker Min Mendrez last week. All three played for Generica Ayala, another team that is taking a leave of absence from the PSL. Petrogas continues to bolster its lineup ahead of the first professional season of the Premier Volleyball League, PVL. The team on Wednesday announced the signing of veteran spiker Mila Pablo, the former PVL most valuable player who last suited up for Modeli. Pablo joins a reloaded Petrogas squad that added spikers Cesc Molina and Mine Mendres. In Petrogas, Pablo joins a team that has championship aspirations after a strong stint in the 2019 season of the PVL that saw them win the reinforced conference and finish second in the Open. Petrogas Angels welcome also spikers Gretchen Soltones and Jerry Lee Malabannon, and setter Ivy Perez have signed up with the Angels following the end of their contracts with their Philippine Superliga teams on December 31st. Soltones, a three-time NCAA MVP, is expected to be the cornerstone of the Angels' offense along with Malabannon, who were her teammate at the PLDT Power Hitters in PSL last year. Soltones and Malabannon give us prime options at key positions. We thought we need improvement come the All-Filipino Conference, an Angel team official said. Grefsel has the pedigree to bring us to the next level. The rest of the teams from Petrogas Angels, who remain are, Jesse De Leon, Sen Cruz, and veteran setter, Che Said. And that will complete the new lineup of Petrogas Angels. Welcome to PVL 2021 Angels, God bless. And finally, F2 Logistics has decided to join the Premier Volleyball League, PVL, the team announced. This gives the PVL a 12-team cast ahead of its first season as a professional outfit, tentatively set to start on May 8, at the Inspire Sports Academy in Calamba, Laguna. A few days after Sherry Tigo and Sta.Lucias announced their departure from the Philippine Superliga, PSL, F2 Logistics followed suit and made the jump to the professional league as well. And this will give a neck-to-neck battles of the champions. So far there is no changes in F2 Logistics cargo movers team lineup. They are still in solid and intact. Alex Cabanos, setter. Kim Fajardo, setter. Michelle Morente, opposite. Desiree Cheng, opposite. Tyler Marie Kalema, outside hitter. Ara Galong, outside hitter. Kim Kiana D, outside hitter. Abigail Marin New, middle blocker. Maria Lourdes Clemente, middle blocker. Mary Joy Barron, middle blocker. Don Macandee Lee, libero. Welcome to PVL 2021, F2 Logistic, God bless. And finally, these will be the most anticipated and awaited event of all volleyball fans, the encounter of Cool Smashers and F2 Logistics cargo movers. Cool Smashers and F2 are one those teams humored and cited in finals. Meanwhile, here are the lineup of Cool Smashers. And in Cool Smasher, there will no big changes in their team lineup. Kyle Negrito, setter, along with the best setter in the Philippine volleyball. Julia Melissa Morado, setter. Michelle Gomabao, opposite. Fel Kainglet Cayetano, opposite. Tots Carlos, new added to the line of Cool Smashers, opposite. The Phenom, Alesa Valdez, outside hitter. Jarella Marie de Jesus, outside hitter. Jessica Galanza, outside hitter. Rosemarie Vargas, outside hitter. Risa Sato, middle blocker. Maria Paulina Soriano, middle blocker. Celine Domingo, middle blocker. Riza Mandapat, middle blocker. Jeanette Paniga, new added as well to the lineup, middle blocker. Kyla Atinza, libero. Tani Rose Ponce, libero. Another team's lineup, that polished to the upcoming PVL Open 2021, is the Choco Macho, Fighting Titans. These teams, said to be as one of the strong and fierce team. The Choco Macho is heading away of the Three Tower of Katipunan, Mady Madayag, as team captain, Bia De Leon, and the MVP, Kat Tolentino. Plus the spiker, libero, setter, one of the most promising setter, Dina Wong, and the returning, Iorn Eagle, Dinden Lazaro. With these lineup, Choco Macho will definitely will, on top on the upcoming PVL. And the other teams to be set on fire, to complete the PVL roster, are, Bangko Perlas Spikers, PLDT, home fiber hitter. Signal HD, spikers. UAC Lady Power Hitters, to be led by UST, alumni, Carmelita Nye. Bali Pure, purest water defender. The PVL 2021 is set to be on fire, as the battle of libero of each team. Here's the battle of libero. Don Macondili of F2 Logistics Cargo Movers, Coderado of Petro Gas Angels, Boating Doranese of Cherry T Go Crossover, and the Iron Lady of Chaco Moto, Den Lazaro. On the other side of court, it will be a neck-to-neck battle also of playmaker of the teams, the setters. And these are the veteran setters, the MVP and best setter of her time, and known as, Jay Amazing, Gia Morado, the veteran Giselle C., the most promising setter, Dina Wang, the veteran and MVP, Kim Fa Hardu. And the most anticipated moment, the face-to-face spiking encounter of the best among the best, the hitters, power spiker, they are. The Phenom, Aleza Valdez, and from F2 Logistic, Ka Limao, Arga Lang, Mila Pablo, and Jaja Santiago. So guys, are you excited for the upcoming PVL 2021? What's your favorite team? Who will stand out among amazing and most awaited new teams lineups? Thank you so much for watching.